Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Satellite SOS on Pixel 10. So first, open the settings, scroll down to the Safety and Emergency, and now Pixel Satellite SOS. Right here, you can call the emergency services, answer questions about the emergency, and follow the steps to connect to a satellite. I'll just try a demo to show you, and we will learn how to start Satellite SOS, connect to a satellite, and message with emergency services. Click Start. How to start Satellite SOS. If you call emergency services but don't have a mobile or Wi-Fi network, you'll see an option to use Satellite SOS instead. Next, answer questions about the emergency. During the emergency, you'll answer a few quick questions to get the help that you need. You can also send your location and information about the emergency to your emergency contact. Connect to a satellite. In the next steps, follow this instruction on your screen to connect. Make sure that you're outside with a clear view of the sky, and click Next. Getting ready to send, make sure that you're outside with a clear view of the sky. Okay, I think it won't work in the building, so yeah, I just show you the steps, and that's it. You can try a demo for yourself. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.